My name is Cade, and I am the founder of the Miracle Store. And today, actually, I have a really wonderful gift, which is this box right behind me. I learned in looking at like the store numbers and everything who our biggest customer is, and it happens to be me. See, I started the store because I wanted to be in the world to share inspirational messages with people in beyond people who would actually care about changing their lives for the better. Someone who's having a rough day out in the world, and maybe they see my shirt or my hoodie and they just kind of relax. They take a deep breath, and maybe it makes them smile a little bit. So I got all this stuff originally to kind of help me be the change I wanted to see in the world. And by extension, I wanted to make that available to other people so that we could start a movement of miracle messengers, people who can change the world. And so inside this box is my most recent shipment of hoodies for me to wear. And I thought I would just share with you what it looks like when I open up the box, what you can see, how they come out of the box. So let's get started. I'm actually excited because I don't remember what I actually bought. That's kind of a habit of mine. I make a bunch of new designs, get some hoodies, and I just order it, and I'm curious to see what's in here. So I know it's a lot of hoodies. I know that much, but we'll see what happens. First, I have a hoodie for this one here. I am determined to see things differently. This one's a little bit quirky, as you can see, because differently is backwards and the eye kind of runs down. But that's intentional, because when people look at this, I want them to go, wait, what's that say? I want them to think differently. So that's kind of the intention behind this design. Oh, this is my favorite. I have one of these already. This is the Live Simply sweatshirt. I actually have had this for a while. And this is a gift for a colleague, actually not a colleague, a friend, someone who I do carpool with. He saw me in the morning and he goes, I've seen your other shirts. I don't really care about them that much, but this one I really like. I resonate with. I live simply. And he's like, I really want one. He doesn't know I'm giving it to him. So that's going to be a wonderful surprise. This is a new design that I really like a lot. Oh, there's no blemish. Okay, it looked like there was a blemish here. It's just like, oh, no. Yeah, it's just packing material. Okay. So anyway, this is Forgive. The thoughts behind this one is, when we really are forgiving, we're giving love. And that's really what this is about, is giving love to others, giving love to ourselves. And so this is one of the ones that I'm looking forward to wearing out and about. I actually have it on the back of my laptop as a sticker. I don't know if this is going to work. This may be a total disaster here, but I'm going to see if I can. There you go. So when I'm working at Starbucks or things like that, that's what people are seeing. And I love that. I just get to be the miracle I want to see in the world. Just kind of like this sweatshirt. I've had this one for like 3 years or something. It's my favorite one. It's an old one because it has this old logo here. That's the old logo. That's not the new one. The new one is this, the butterfly right there. Butterfly with the M inside, symbolizing the transformation, the integration, the change we can bring about in the world. This hoodie here is the definition of a miracle. A miracle is a shift in perception from fear to love. And the synonyms are forgiveness, healing, and peace. I've always wanted to do something like this, kind of fun and quirky. And I think that's one of the interesting directions I've been taking with the store lately in the designs is I really want to have fun with it, to play with it. Definitely rolling out with this one. In a relationship with miracles. Yep. No matter whether I'm in a dating, intimate relationship or not, this one's always true. So everyone will know I'm in a relationship. Okay. I'm still going. Miracle crossword. This one I've also really enjoyed because it's another way to look at things. Miracles are always about putting the puzzle pieces together in our lives. It's not just something that happens miraculously. That's funny, I use the word miraculously about miracles. They don't have to be uncommon occurrences. Miracles happen every day, all the time. And for me, what makes it possible are all the words on here. So we have miracle right down the middle, spirit, and love. These are definitely components of miracles. Forgive, peace, heal, and awaken. So for me, these are all the things that anytime I'm wanting a miracle, anytime I need a miracle, any one of these words is the one that reminds me. And there goes an alarm reminding me I have a phone call with a friend soon. So we'll just stop that because life happens and it's all good. There's two more here. I'm actually kind of disappointed there's no coffee mugs in this shipment. I guess I didn't order any coffee mugs. I love my coffee mugs. In fact, I've been drinking from Just Let Go lately. My whole cupboard is filled with these because whatever message I need for a day, that's what I actually look at. Okay, here is another one. This was sort of a creative adventure. God is in everything I see. And I really like that because it reminds me that God's everywhere. We're supported. And for me, that relationship with our higher power, whatever you want to call it, God, Allah, universe, the divine, creation, whatever word, whatever energy works for you, my experience is that's everywhere. And when I'm connected with myself and when I'm connected with that, then that's when miracles seem to show up in my life more, whether they're the big miracles where we go, wow, I can't believe that happened, or the little miracles, being the miracle in the world, or taking a deep breath, or just calming down after a tough day. So now we're coming to the last hoodie in here. So I've got enough to wear a different one every day of the week. Like I said, I'm my own biggest customer. This is the Miracle Revolution. This is one of the ones I saw this idea somewhere else when I was driving on a road trip from Las Vegas, and I saw the way someone did the revolution thing with something else. And I loved it so much because within the revolution is love. And so for me, this is going to be a fun one to wear out in the world. And now you have a confession from me. The box is empty, and I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's a 6. That's a gift. 7 new hoodies that are going into my collection, all with the new logo. Like I said, I've had this one for 3 years. I love it. It's comfortable. Once I wear it down and it's got holes in it, I mean, I wear my stuff to the ground because I love this stuff so much. And so I will get a new one. But anyway, thank you for joining me on this Facebook Live and this video. And I am so grateful to support you and serve you. I wish for you a wonderful day.